ngifanele ngathi Chomi ngistranded ngicela ukuza ku.
Okay, wait. You never called me what to show that on top of that you don't think. I consider your feelings. You know what I said when I met her.
Njobe senza abanye abangani bami abantu ababi uzenza umuntu
okay ashiyeka abangani bami specific umuntu onke
bona bangisizile from during my pregnancy.
You know, like
asabe manje
akabuyela kubo hamba uthatha umntwana
asabe sithatha umntwana
yazi the fact that ukhonile masilala umntwana was crying silele athi ukhala kakhulu mina ngizobeka sliding door to show ukuthi uaphile akabeka umntwana wakhe egrenini the fact that umntwana wakhe watshela
uhambe favo ngizolashiya umntwana
almost like 4 hours ashiya umntwana
lo muntu asimise banganini bakhe nathi barayithi
asale nabangani
maseke ingane efanele ihambe
yazi yini into ebuhlungu ngimkhipha kwi-hotel you can't stay kwi-hotel nomntwana ona 1 week kwi-hotel uhlale nomntwana for 1 week I was like to her chinta kule hotel leyo senze iplan ukuthi ubuyele kini ngithengele nomntwana nempahla namapampers ngabathatha saye for West Mall ngathengela umntwana ngeke ngifuna uvela kakhulu ngathengela umntwana impahla namapampers bengithi na ngimthengela izinto but I didn't have enough money yabo ngathi you know what it's okay she lied sizifikele la TikTok ngenxa mangakhe okokuqala okwesithu I see ukuthi akana danki and uaphile ugcwele amanga yinto engibonile ngaye and usayifunela impilo yase Joburg and trust me guys uaphile akana ndaba nomntana wakhe uaphile umntana uyakhala la embedeni kodwa ubhizi ngefone uchatha nabangani bakhe umntana akhale aphinde akhala umntwana athini yo wena ukhala kakhulu ngizoze ngibeke sliding door is that what you can say ungacabanga lokho as a mother bese uzothanda umntana wakho never.
Yo guys, molweni namkelekele nonke kwezichisa be-entertainment nake nayibonaphi i-live ya plus minus 5 days guys. Phofu kuhleliwe nguphiwe ngompumelelo as well as uSiphesihle bacenga i-baby mama. Yo guys, one thing about i-Gauteng, if you are not ready for it, if you are not prepared mentally for it, izokwenza ibe ngathi ungumuntu ongenayo ingqondo at all. So nanko ke uaphile is the one ke guys obe nomntana wa decide into ba yena uzoba nomntana although ezazi into ba she is umuntu wesitrato uthanda istrato khona ke nenye ke ivideo apho ke bebepostile nechomi zakhe bechaza into ba bona bayathengisa bangabantu abathengisayo bathengisa ngomzimba for 350 ke kula Joburg ndini yeah understand. So ke uSiphesihle wabona into ba oh shame lona istrato sembedile ngoku ubhidwe sistrato because allowed for herself to fall pregnant. After falling pregnant 1.1 akekho sure about utata womntana. 1.1 uye wathathwa uSiphesihle wathiza uzohlala nami for the time being so that sizokwazi ukufumana uncedo because wena according to you uthi umntana baby daddy wakho nguScott Maphuma of which naleyo guys it's a story for another story because uScott Maphuma ended up saying that listen ntombazana ndini mna ndokubophisa mna don't you dare because mna the last time we ever spoke was in November of 2024 umntana wakho is only 2 weeks old and you are telling me that I am the father. So throughout these lives ke ebezenzeka waphetha ke seyithetha inyani into ba no uScott Maphuma is indeed not the father to my 2 weeks old child. Yay ininzi guys into I'm all over the place because I'm trying to cover everything in one video but ke ichomi zakhe ziye zathi bayamazi utata womntana because utata womntana uye wake waposta about uaphile as well as the baby. However, the same friends are saying now they are not sure if lo mntu apostile uaphile nomntana is the father because uaphile ukhomba lo akhombe lo akamazi kahle utata womntana wakhe. So bebezama ke ukumxhumanisa with her family so that umhlawumbe bezokwazi ukumnceda. Of course ke uSiphesihle did try wathenga izinto zomntana your essentials like your nappies as well as food and then ke wamnika i-roof over i-head yakhe as well as umntana. Nani niyazivela kwi-first video clip which I inserted for you inoba ingathi uaphile ungumuntu who is suffering from postpartum but I wouldn't really say it's postpartum because unfortunately u-aunt wakhe lo ahlala eSoweto uyatsho into ba uaphile ungumuntu westrato so asinoyazi guys whether it's postpartum okanye vele bubuyena obu abenzayo, you understand, because u-auntie uyachaza into yoba mna ndiyasebenza and I cannot be able to be taking care of umntana omngako. I know uAphile nizothi nimshiya apha eSoweto, then what if she wakes up and she noxanduva lomntana? Mna andifuni ixanduva lomntana ona 2 weeks old, you understand. So uye wathi ufuna ke ukuya kulo Soweto, andazi ba iphinde yatshintsha phi ke le option yoba aye eSoweto. However, uPhiwe did try to reach out kumama kaAphile ke ngoku olapha eKZN, guys, and she was willing to say ndicela babuye, but then ke ngoku ingxaki ibephi, ibe kuAphile. uAphile akafune niks to do with KZN, uthanda la Gautendini emenza into yoba maka-acte, maka-behave olu hlobo. Ufuna iSoweto okanye ufuna ukuphindela ehotela apho iitshomi zakhe zihlala khona ke, you guys. So this is when ke uPhiwe Mpumelelo as well as Phesihle tried involving others into yoba no makuhanjwe kuyiwe eKZN, lo mntu akanokwazi ukuhlala nomntana like a hotel. It literally does not make any sense for into yoba umntana ona 2 weeks abe ehlala emahotela. This is when they started fighting. uAphile noSphesihle. uAphile does not appreciate anything that uSphesihle has done for her. Uyatsho into yoba uSphesihle is trying to now be the Jesus of this whole entire situation. Like ungumntu ongathi ngokufuna ukuqhwatyelwa izandla because nguye oye wayothatha umntana noAphile there by the hotel. Uthi ke ngoAphile andicelanga sis, nani niyazivela ke from the first video which I inserted for you guys. So baye baphethe bexabana ke uSphesihle as well as uAphile, to such an extent that uSphesihle ended up emgxotha ke uAphile, and the conclusion would be that bazamile ke to get a hold of umamake, and they are currently on their way now to KZN. uPhiwe uAphile as well as ke umntana. So uSphesihle uye waphetha eyivala ke esithi, guys, hi everyone, I'm coming to you directly because I see everything escalating on social media and I need to address it. First, I want to apologize for not having all the information. I never thought that trying to help someone would land me here. This thing blew up so big and now it's even involving someone else with a brand. I'm not going to say that I regret helping because I was trying to help that baby, but I'm not okay either. The truth is I didn't get the full story from the girl. I was in a rush to help. She is full of lies. I told her to move out of that hotel so that I could help her and get the baby some clothes because the baby had nothing. That literally broke my heart. That's why I thought the clothes, or rather, that's why I bought the clothes. When she came to my place, I asked her what was happening. I asked her, Aphile, who is the father of the baby? She lied about that too. It's like she doesn't even know who the father is. That lie has ruined my name so much, and I don't even know how to feel right now. I am tired, or rather, I only tried to help because I felt a newborn baby shouldn't be in a hotel, but that's what she and her friends wanted. I'm sorry for the confusion. I was just trying to do the right thing, guys. So in live, okay, iphele ke bemthatha ke bemsa KZN. I just want you guys to listen to umama kaAphile, guys. Yazi ukuba umzali, yo guys, ingane zethu izinto that they put us through, but please try and listen to what the mom was saying, guys. Ngiyabonga ngokuthi ningijoine. I hope for those of you who have not been watching the lives, you are getting the summary of everything eyenzekile. Thank you so much for joining. Ngizonibona shortly. Bye, guys.
Uzoyibulelela vele le ngane le.
Phiwe.
Yebo mama.
Yo.
Sinenkinga lana yazi mama ne. uAphile akafuna ukuya KZN, akasafuna ukuya eSoweto, ufuna ukuya kulabangani bakhe bekahlala nabo before, and sekuba nefight manje bayaphi, sekuba nemaphikizana, yabona. So ezinye izinto mina ngisingiphoyisa ngeke ngimthathe ngenkani or ngimforce ukuthi
buza ukuthi uma angayithatha yini ingane,
or so asazi ukuthi senze njani. Maybe ngedwa from where, because lana kunabantu ababukele bathi ungasithathe umntana, abanye abantu bathi so ezinye izinto ngeke senze decision thina. Siyenze njani? Awukwatile ke manje athi yena never sintshele next akayilapho.
ufuna ukuhamba ehluphekisa exakekisa
ngicabanga
vele le mpilo leyo akayenzayo
mangithi nala afuna ukuyihluphekisa khona i-hotel nomntwana una 1 week ku-hotel ikhona nje leyo nto leyo uzoyibulalela umntwana u-Aphile unenkani namanga akanadanki u-Aphile
akanga futhi ngiqinisile phela ngiyamazi
akanadanki
bavubuza ukuthi ingane angayithatha yini iyona le
kuthiwa ingane angayithatha
Umntana
kumele
kuphela.
sizomthatha kanjani umntwana ku-Aphile simo semakhaya
Yes,
asazi nama-directions okuyemakhaya
khululeka lokho sizokwenza buza ukuthi angayithatha yini
angazi senze kanjani ngomntana simlethe umntana or simiyeka ahambe lo mntana
hayi limithi
or simlethe umntana okay Aphile
nginestress nje i-ID ukuthi umntwana angasifilithi ngabe uma
Aphile ngicela uzelana kancane
wephiwe umuntu owenza njengo-Aphile ingane akanandaba nayo angeke azayilwise le noma ngathiwa seyayilwisa kusasa ayikho inkantolo ezomelana nalento it's on record lento ayenzile noma ngathiwa kwenze njani umama ethu uyayithatha ingane kulungile asithatheni ingane siyiseni kwimali iyona kuphela lonto leyo mfowethu ngwana manje mesiloke yena akasinikeze nje i-birth certificate ingane nekhadi lengane ukuze ezokwazi ukuthi uma ahambisa ingane ayigoma ngoba manje ngiyabona abantu la kuma comments angiboni ukuthi bayacabanga balobe becanga ukuthi mhlawumbe umuntu uyakhuluma nje ngwana wakhe ekhuluma
uyamuzwa ukumele la iphone ne
ngiyabona
yachubeka Mpumelelo
so mama mina into engiyicelayo ukuthi nje ungenalo umntana ngicela ukuthi umthathe yabo akhulele ezandleni zakho angizwanga ma
ngithi hayi akeza kunenkinga
ngiyathokoza ma
Ngithole i-address
okay imam Zobe ngicela ungisendele i-address lana ne because into esifuna ukuyenza mina ngihlala ngibusy mama so it took some time ukuthi size lana besithi somsiza so into esingayenza thina ukuthi masingathole i-address sizokwazi ukuthi communicate size sizoletha umntana if uyavuma ukuthi simlethe umntana
yeah
because nyeke simforce if yena athi manje umntana next akafuni ngomntana wakhe ayikho into engayenza
asikhulume naye manje u-Aphile ma kulungile sicela ukuthi sibuyele kuwena nesizokuthola manje ku-Aphile
okay anake
ngiyacela manje ngoba siyabona